Hi guys, this is Pallabi and welcome back to my channel and to the episode 6 of my DIY fashion series. So I mostly referred Anika Victoria's video for the measurements, so if you need the detailed tutorial you can refer her video instead. We mainly need these 4 major measurements A, B, C, D to make the cups. Your A will be from the center to the bottom, B will be from the point A end to the side under your arms where you want the bralette to end. C will be the starting of the A to how high you want, and finally D will be the point A ended to the center. Start off by drawing a line half an inch from the edge, which is nothing but your seam allowance. Then mark your B measurement horizontally, which was 3.5 inches for me. Then vertically mark your A measurements, which is 3 inches. Then complete the line with your C, which is 4 inches for me. Draw a point half an inch below your B line and join it with the corner. Now we should make the intersection of A and C smoother, so mark the intersection of these and connect them with a curved but smooth line. Draw a half inch seam allowance all around your pattern and cut it out. This becomes the outer part of your cup. Repeat the same set of steps for the inner side. The only difference would be that you need to replace your B measurement with your D measurement. Rest all the other measurements and processes will be exactly the same. So I'm using this black Banarasi fabric for my bralette, and the inner lining will be a plain black fabric. I use the pattern pieces to cut my fabric, 4 from the Banarasi fabric and 4 from the lining fabric. Next you need to sew them together, leaving a 1 inch space through which you can flip it over. Do it very neatly and make sure you push out the corners before stitching up the 1 inch we left earlier. So here I have 2 sides from 1 cup already, but before I sew them together I need the straps. For that I cut out thin long straps from the same fabric and sew them up. So now once my straps are ready, when I attach the 2 pieces from the cups, I will also attach the strap together. Now to make the waistband, measure your waist size and how wide you want your band to be. Then cut out your fabric and your lining accordingly. Now simply attach them to your cups. Add whatever design you want at the back. I added these golden hooks for my back, so what I did was I added these 2 small straps, and here you can see my hooks at the edge. I initially planned to add elastic here to get a better fit, but these hooks with the strap worked well too. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Happy Navratri guys, and bye bye.